Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Ever wonder how to back up your computer to an external hard drive to avoid data loss? In this video, I'll show you how to back up a PC to an external hard drive. Let's go. System crashes and hardware damage often occur unexpectedly. Therefore, it's essential to back up your entire computer in advance. To protect your data, you need to back up the entire PC. Backing up creates a copy of all your files. If the system malfunctions, you can restore the original system to ensure continuity of work. This can prevent data loss caused by system crashes, computer virus infections, hard drive failures, data deletions, system formatting, and manufacturing errors. There are various computer backup storage devices for data protection. For example, you can back up the system to another hard drive or back up a computer to cloud storage. However, using an external hard drive is one of the most efficient methods. Fortunately, this tool that I am using is an excellent choice for backing up your data. This tool is a popular and user-friendly software designed to help protect data by creating backups of systems, disks, partitions, and files. It is also an affordable preventive measure compared to the potential cost of data recovery services. You can easily download the software by clicking the link I've added in the description box to get 250 gigabytes of cloud storage free of use. To start the backup process, click the Create Backup button that can be found under Backup Systems. There are 4 categories of data backup here. For files, disks, OS or operating system, and apps data. On the left, you will see a list of local and network files. Select the files you want to back up by expanding the directory. Follow the on-screen instructions. Next, select a location for the backup. By default, you will see that there is already a default location for your files. Tap on it to see the options. You can choose the local drive option for the local disk, the tool's cloud service, network to add your OneDrive or Google Drive account, or lastly, the security zone. If you're also interested in customization settings like enabling an automatic backup schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, or upon an event, and creating differential and incremental backups, these are available via the Options button. Once done, click Backup Now to begin the Windows System backup process. The completed backup task will appear on the left in card format. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.